This gentleman was here earlier than me. This is the first one today at Peters Lake, Peters Township. A little bit smaller than number 1. Number 3 is pretty small. Smallest one yet. It's crappie. 5 today. Small one. Well, calling it quits. I put in over 2 hours of fishing today at Peters Lake and only caught 5 fish. But I did have some really good bites, but whatever it was, I never got landed them. Sometimes they would take my minnow, and so I don't know, maybe something with teeth. Okay, over and out.